Hi, this is Celine from AhaSlides. I'm going to show you a major update we made to the PowerPoint AhaSlides add-in. You know how when you split an AhaSlides presentation and spread the individual slides throughout the PowerPoint deck, you would have to click Start AhaSlides each time. We know very well how annoying that was. Now you won't have to do that anymore. Let me show you. You will go to the slide number 2 in PowerPoint and open up the add-in. And I will select the presentation that I want to add. And let's say I want to add the word cloud slide to this slide number 2 in PowerPoint. I will click this button, Add Slide, instead of clicking the button Add Presentation. Okay, here it is. This is the word cloud slide. And then I'll go next to, let's say, slide number 6 in PowerPoint. And again, I will open up the AhaSlides add-in. I will open that same AhaSlide presentation again. But this time I'm going to add another slide. Let's say I want to add the poll slide. And again, I will click the Add Slide instead of Add Presentation. Great. So now let's present the entire deck from the beginning. Okay, this is our cover PowerPoint slide. And now we are in our slides. You see, didn't have to click Start our slide at all. And you still have the controls to show the QR code anytime. Let's move on to the next PowerPoint slide. Next one. This is another PowerPoint slide. And this is another AhaSlide poll. Okay. The QR code is still the same since it's the same presentation. And that's it. It's that simple.